What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Gill coming at you guys with another review. Today we have a review on the NikeLab all over swoosh tees. Now these are super dope, but before we get into the review, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Let's get into the review. Now I purchased these pieces in an XL and a double XL. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds. I also lost about 30 pounds, so this double XL doesn't even fit me anymore. I actually never even got to wear it, which kind of sucks because I haven't seen an XL for a while. And these pieces seem to really hold their value, and sometimes they sell over what retail was. There's really not too many details on this shirt. It's just mainly a cotton tee with embroidered Nike swooshes all over it, but this is definitely one of my favorite tees. I also have the sweats and the hoodies from the same collection. Now I know Nike did a normal release where they had just screen printed on Nike swooshes, but with NikeLab they did embroidery, which I thought was super nice. This is definitely a very high quality tee as well. Like this tee I've worn a good amount of times and it's definitely held up pretty good. But I always wash my products on delicate and then let them hang dry just to save them. Sometimes the dry will ruin it, and this is held up perfect. This one I haven't even worn yet, so it's still in great condition. These retailed at about $65, and I think that was definitely a very fair price because it's super cool. It's kind of dope. This is like Nike's version of Louis Vuitton monogram. And that's pretty much it for you guys. There's really not much details to talk. I can really just show you guys the product. I'll definitely drop the product link for you guys below, but I would definitely recommend this product and I think it'd be something dope to add to your collection. This is by far one of my favorite pieces from Nike, and it's just a high quality tee. I will be looking for other colorways. I know they have a white, orange, and I believe a blue, also a black. I don't know if they have any more colors, but these are super dope and they're pretty hard to find. And I really just wanted to show you guys a cool product that I own, and that's kind of my goal with this channel, just to bring you guys stuff you don't really see reviews on. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I'll be doing a lot of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech, and I'll be doing shoes as well. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm out.